Mauro, and we've built WAT. Where are they? WAT is a location services app that was born out of a very simple need. Our group members, like so many other New Yorkers, are transplants. Our families are far from here, and our friends are scattered throughout the boroughs. We wanted an easy way to share our location with friends and family to give them a closer connection into our lives, when we're at work, when we're at school, or even when we're just lounging in Central Park. WAT is a lightweight mobile application that allows a user to passively share their location with a select audience and allows groups to declare particular longitude-latitude areas as known locations, such as school or work. And it also notifies you when you're within a certain radius of another group member. To talk a little bit about how to set up our app, here's Aram.
Okay, let's get down to the business. First of all, this is the login page of the WAT. And you will need either a Facebook or Google account. I will use my Google account for this demonstration. After I log in, it shows all my friends on the map and on the list where they are. On the left panel, you can measure your own groups, such as create, edit, or delete. Using the pink button, you can bring your friends to the group. So I'm inviting my second user to the group. So once you invite the user, it sends the invitation email to the user, and the user doesn't show until the friend accept the invitation. So here's the invitation email. So you click and accept. It brings you to the application. So after you log in, so I log in with my second user. As you can see, my new user is share the location within the group. So from here, someone will give you more details.
All right, thanks, Aram. So now let's create a new group called Full Stack Squad. Once the group is created, you're able to display all the users in a private map and be able to stay in touch. We use HTML5 geolocation to get the locations from the user's devices in real time. So user can locate your group members by tapping the person in your group list, so you can see the location precisely. And now you can keep track on your friends to where they go and make sure that they're safe. And WAT also has a feature to push the notification if your friends or family are nearby. So user will be able to tell, let's say, okay, Evan just log in and he can just pop up. And now user will receive the notification if there's someone is within 100 meters of you. And for the popular locations such as home, school, or work, you are able to check in at where you are and save your location. So all the group members will be able to tell where you go and where you come. Okay, so now let's have Mauro to talk about our technical aspects in regards of how we achieve this.
Thank you, Summer. So WAT has been designed as a mobile-first responsive design application using React and Redux. On the server side, we are using Node.js, SQLite, and Postgres as a database, and we create a RESTful API. We deploy this to Heroku, and we will provide the link in the last slide. And this is an open source project, and we invite you to participate on it. We are currently working on a React native application, and we are also thinking on working on a communication feature using a pub/sub architecture. So now back to Evan.
Thank you, Mauro, and thank you, Summer and Aram, as well. As our time here at 1701 Flex comes to a close, I know we're all thinking about various ways to stay in touch. How great would it be to have a notification on your phone when you're walking past someone on the opposite side of the street but would have otherwise never noticed, or when you're sitting waiting for a flight at JFK and a friend of yours is just a couple terminals over? We've built the tools, and it's up to you all to put them to use. Thank you very much.